Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how I created this character. I will show the workflow that I used and add-ons. I won't show you every step, but only the most interesting decisions that I made, in my opinion. So let's get started. I found some pictures of dress on Pinterest that I wanted to recreate. I have also used ArtStation. If you type anatomy into the search bar, you can find good references. I can also recommend the website 3D Scan Store. There are a lot of 3D scans in different poses, and you can view them from different angles. You can also buy them if you have the money. And I saved all the images into PreRef. For topology, I used the topology modifiers from Blender Studio. I will leave a link to the website below. After the installation, you will receive two modifiers and one extra panel. When you add modifiers to your object, they evenly distribute the vertices. You can see it on the screen. When I add loop cuts, they are automatically distributed. If you want to pin certain vertices, you can do it by pressing Pinned Edge Mark. Shortcut is Ctrl+E. Now, when I add loop cuts, the loop that I pinned stays in the same place. For texturing, I didn't use Marmoset Toolbag or Substance Painter, only Blender. I also tried a new add-on for me called Uncapaid. I will show two things about my texturing process, how I made the hair and the lines on the skirt. Let's start with lines. To make them look correct, I created an extra UV map specifically for the lines and made it square. If I hadn't done that, the lines would have looked like this. But with the additional UV map, the lines look much better. Now I wanna show you how I created hair. Here you can see them from different angle, how it looks. Now let's go to the material. How I did it. I created a few planes. In the plane you can see the material. It's pretty simple. It's just noise texture that I stretch it by using mapping node. Here you can see how it was before and after. I just stretched noise texture to make randomized lines. After that, I add highlight. It's just gradient texture, color ramp, and I mix it to texture into mix color set to multiply. After that, these lines, randomized lines, I plug it into bump node to make normal map. And in the end, I baked all these small planes into one big plane to make base color and normal map. I did the face rig by following the Blender Studio course. The course explained about ribbon mesh, the 3 curve principle, and several other rigging techniques. I can really recommend it. To be honest, I created this character mainly to try the techniques from this course. I will leave a link to the course below. For the body rig, I used the Rigify add-on, together with my custom bones for the head, skirt and blouse. You can do this by going to the bone properties, Rigify type, and selecting Basic Raw Copy as the rig type. In this video, I will only show how I rigged the blouse. Here you can see how it works. And now I will show you how I did it. I created a simplified scene to show you the main part of the blouse mechanism. Here we have the torso bone. After that, I created an MCH bone with a copy rotation constraint. I inverted the rotation and limited it to 15 degrees. Then I created another bone with two copy rotation constraints. In the first one, I set the target to the torso bone. In the second one, I set the target to MCH bone. Now, when I move the torso bone, our bone has a 15-degree delay because of the MCH bone. After that, you can parent the other bones to this bone. Here I am isolating the rotation of Blau's bone to show you the final result. As you can see, it looks nice better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you never miss a new video. Also, if you like it and you have some suggestion what you wanna see next, you can write it in the comments below. So for now, bye.